Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I made around $700 trading the Nasdaq. Finally a good trade, finally almost a 930 PDI model. This was a really good trade and I'm happy I took it after this couple of weeks where I got a bit unlucky and also I took bad trades. I must say this relieves my mental health. Now I'm around at $49,900 on my funded, and yeah, I would say let's get right into it. As usual, let's start with the higher time frame, and we can clearly see that we were bearish, even though I must say that this 4-hour gap got me thinking maybe that price could open higher and hit this gap and then continue the trend lower. Between the last 12 hours or 16 hours, price has been chopping around, so I was not too sure initially to take shorts. The same can be said looking at the hourly gap, at the 2-hour time frame. There's not much that I can add. On the 1-hour time frame, there's the same. I think on yes, there's nothing. Yeah, there was an hourly gap, but to be honest, I didn't care here. I was only focused on NQ. Looking at the 30-minute though, exactly before market opened, there was this gap here. It was not a big gap, but I wanted to see a reaction out of it if we wanted to continue the trend lower. And on the 50-minute, it's the same. I just want to see a reaction around here. If we come on the 1-minute, I wanted to see, to be honest, a 930 PDI model because it's the best. I have the best win rate with these kinds of trades, and since we are bearish, I want to see shorts. So if we come here on the 930 setup, we wait. Let's see what happens when candle opens. We can see that candle opened here, and there was a clean inversion at 930. And I was thinking to take it, but to be honest, since there was no real gap, I was not confident. I wanted to see at least a gap got hit, so I waited. Initially I marked out this 30-minute gap as a target, and if we come on the 1-minute, eventually it got hit, but since like I said earlier, there was no gap hit. For me, this was not a valid rejection. This was not a swing low in particular. So if we come on the 30-second, we can see this strong inversion after the tap of the 30-minute gap, and I was really confident to take this one. Sadly, I got a bit bad entry since price moved so quickly. I entered around here, I think, and put my take profit, let's see, here, exactly at the swing low, and I took around exactly 1 to 5, so maybe it was a bit lower here. I entered here and made around $700. I took this because there was a 30-second inversion, went break even as soon as price hit this swing low here, but as soon as it hit, basically 1 minute after, I also hit take profit. This was a perfect setup. I was with the trend, I hit the gap, the 30-minute gap. This was a perfect PO3 model, so everything perfect. The only thing I did not see was that there was this swing low. I was thinking that I put my take profit here, but I took it here. I mean, it's not a big deal. I lost around, yeah, half hour, but yeah, I'm just happy to have won this trade. As I said in the beginning of the video, I made around $750 or 700. I don't know exactly. You will see it in the thumbnail. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask it in the comments. I will answer as soon as possible. And as always, God bless and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.